Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix all network related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. So here you can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are facing issues in Wi-Fi or internet or Bluetooth, you can just try this reset settings, so that way we can fix network related issues. Let me tap on this reset settings button, then again tap on reset. You can see network settings reset, done. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network related issues. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.